how to turn on and how to use fly mode in Blender. Let's jump right into the video. So what you can do is to go to edit preferences, and here in key map, please right here in the search bar fly, and here please enable fly mode. Don't forget to save preferences. And now what you can do is to press on your keyboards, press shift and then this button. Sorry, I forgot to select. Now you have fly mode, and now with ASDW is like in a game you can move, which is pretty cool when you create a scene. It's very useful. You can also go in camera mode. You can click here as well if you want to go in camera mode. You can also press 0 to go in camera mode. But you can also go in fly mode and camera mode as well, which is pretty cool. This is very good and very helpful when you're creating, animating, very helpful. So I hope this short tutorial saved your time and helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section for the next tutorial. Take care, and thank you for watching this video.